Hi, it's Martin Velson here with Remax, and we've got a crazy market here, but another house available for you on Gabriel Island. 881 Christine Close. This one's 3 bedrooms and a den. Beautiful. If you love wood, this house is absolutely perfect for you. Overbuilt, big beams, lots of nice use of wood throughout it. Come on in, let's go take a look. It's just a feeling of warmth throughout this house. On this level, you've got the living space plus a den. We do have the laundry and a powder room. Upstairs, a huge master bedroom, 2 other bedrooms, and lots of space. You know, the hallways are wide. Everything's nice and comfortable. On a half acre, fenced on 2 sides. Very, very nice, big decks. We've got a hot tub, a detached studio, which is currently wired and being used as a workshop, but it could be a lot of different uses. The whole place is kind of this serene little escape. It's very, very nice here. We're close to the village, close to the ferry, yet it's totally, like this is totally private.